Hi guys, good morning. Pasok na naman sa work. Ngayon po ay Friday. Another day, another blessings. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako sa biyahe ko papuntang work.
In the morning light I see the truth running wild, my spirit soothes. Broken chains I leave behind. In His grace my heart aligns. Through the storm I find my way, guided by His endless way. Fears dissolve like morning dew. In His arms I'm born anew. Life only in God I find, peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the highest walls. In His name I stand tall. When the night surrounds my soul, His love makes me whole. Every step His light reveals. In His presence wounds are healed. Never lost in His embrace, always held in grace. Whispers soft my heart receives. In His love I believe. Life only in God I find, peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the highest walls. In His name I stand tall. Life only in God I find, peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the highest walls. In His name I stand tall. In His name I stand tall.
Hi guys, karating ko lang dito sa bahay. Kuan lang pala kami guys, half day lang kami pag Friday. Kasi yung work namin Monday to Thursday is 9 hours. So ngayon bali work namin ngayon is 5 hours lang. Kaya 7 to 12 lang kami pag Friday. So mamaya baka papasyal kami ng anak ko dun sa Guelph Lake or sa Splashed Flood. So titingnan na lang mamaya guys kung saan kami pupunta at makapag relax naman. Dito na ko sa bahay guys, nagluto ko ngayon ng munggo, tapos sinaluan ko ng tuyo para malasa. Yan, lutong Bisaya to guys. Tapos para mas lalong masarap, lalagyan ko to siya ng gata. Ito, gata is life. Yan, lakasan natin yung apoy. Yan, ganito lang guys. Pag wala kasi kong pasok, mahilig kasi ko magluto-luto eh. Pero yung loto na yung alam ko lang. Yan. Tapos takpan ko na lang to guys, pakuluin ko na mga 10 minutes. Yan guys, kumulo na. Bali ang gagawin ko ngayon, lagyan ko ng pitsay. Yan, pitsay para may konting gulay-gulay na halo. Yan. Tapos saluin ko lang. Madali lang to maluto kasi pitsay naman to siya. So takpan ko ulit siguro mga 5 minutes. Pakuluin ko lang. Ayan guys, luto na yung munggo natin. Yan. Tapos patayin natin to. Ang gagawin ko naman sunod ay prito ako ng bangus. Ayan guys, ito yung bangus. Prito ko to maya-maya. Magpapainit lang ko ng mantika. Guys, luto na yung prito kong bangus. Yan, sarap nito. Marami na namang damo ang tumutubo. Yan, kailangan i-cut ko to kasi mataas na. At saka pinamumugaran to ng lamok pag hindi malinisan. Kunin ko muna yung pang cut ng damo. Dito lang yun, tinago ko dito kasi may mga bata. Ayun dito. Stay there because it's hot. It's hot here. Okay. Guys, tapos na, medyo malinis-linis na ng konti. Yan, wala na mga damo. Tapos lilipat ko na yung dyan, halaman doon, no? Tinanim ko dyan sa may gilid kasi hindi nabubuhay doon kasi mabato eh. Nakaka-relax guys pag yung backyard mo medyo malinis-linis. Okay guys, maraming salamat. See you in the next video. Bye!
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and